Welcome to Kids Going TV. I am John and Jerry with me. Hi, Jerry. Hey, John. I'm here. Okay. Do you know what I'm doing now? It looks like a hunt. No, that is not hunt. I consider have a pocket. Do you have pocket? Oh, you are wearing eyes. Oh, that is Spider-Man face, right? You are a little bit correct, but not at all. That is not a Spider-Man face, actually. That is different thing. Oh, but it is Spider-Man. I'm 100% sure. No need to be sure 100%. Jerry, you could not say that. That is actually a bag, a school bag. Oh my gosh, that is school bag, right? That is school bag with Spider-Man art. Oh, yes, I can understand now. So you are adding black eyes over the bag. Two black eyes. And I will add another color. What color I could add? I don't know. Let me think. Great. Oh, yes, red color for the full bag. Yes, red color for the full bag. And black color eyes. Wow, it looks really great, John. Thank you, Jerry. Yeah, you were adding another color? Yes, another color, and that is purple. Purple color, yeah. So for the sidebar and inside area, you are using purple color, right? For the pocket and the chain. Not for the pocket. Maybe I can use different color for the pocket. Really? That would be great. That would be great. And the new color is sky blue. Oh, so you're using sky blue for the front part, right? I'm using the sky blue for the front part, and maybe I may use that in pocket also. Oh, really? Maybe. Let me use the yellow color for the belt. Adding more yellow, and the next color would be again sky blue. Sky blue for the belt. Sky blue for the what is Jerry? For the pocket? No. I will not use pocket. Pocket color sky blue.